This week on 3D Printed Soup, to celebrate getting to 500 subscribers, more Heroquest models. That's right after this. Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. Because it is super to be here and I've got 500 subscribers thanks to you lovely people. I know it doesn't seem like a huge amount compared to some people's 5 to 10 million subscribers, but quite frankly, for a small channel like mine, it's a bit of a milestone, so I'm very, very happy. To celebrate this, I thought, you know what? Let's do a 3D print of some more Heroquest stuff, because there's tons more Heroquest stuff that I haven't covered. This week, I am doing Barbarians quest. That's right, the Barbarian got his very own quest. But it's not a he, it's a she. You got a female barbarian in it, and she's taking on the frozen horror. Kind of a goblin slash troll slash Mr. Frosty. He's a huge figure, and he's kind of rivals the gargoyle in size. He's not quite as big as the largest of the ogres, but he's still quite a chunky boy. He also has some minions, so I'm going to be printing out some Yetis and also some war bears. Yes, the only thing better than a bear is a war bear. So, let's get on and get this printed. There's also a brilliant centerpiece which has frozen walls all the way around the outside of the middle room and a really, really cool sort of floor for the center room of the Heroquest dungeon. And because my 3D printed Heroquest is slightly larger, I've upped the scale a bit and made it fit so you get a really cool 3D ice wall around the middle of the 3D printed Heroquest center room. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on this. Yeah, okay, this might be my favourite Heroquest print of all time. I like doing the skull room from Return of the Witch Lord, but the Frozen Horrors dungeon room is just incredible. It's got that wonderful frozen face down the middle. It's got the chains either side, but it's the ice wall that clips on top. And the cool thing is, around the outside here, the guy who's designed it, link in the description below. Thank you so much. I like the fact that this clips straight onto the top, and there's all the way around the edge. You got the same indentations you get around the edge of this. So it just lines up and clips on. So yeah, and that fits perfectly into the center of the 3D printed Heroquest board that I've made. To go along with that, you've also got the throne and sort of the cold braziers as well, which are especially cool. No pun intended. But all of this would be nothing without the Frozen Horror himself. And yeah, this guy is chunky. He's got a massive battle axe. He's covered in furs, and I painted him kind of a minty green undercoat with a slightly less minty green liquid coat on top, and then I did all the highlights in a Games Workshop technical paint, which I can't remember what the hell it's called, some kind of corrosion. But anyway, it's the light green technical paint, and he has come out lovely. His teeth look really, really cool as well. Yeah, never mess with anything with more teeth than the entire Osmond family. To go along with these, we have got the War Bear, who is a bear in armour with a giant club, and if there's anything scarier than a bear, it's a bear in armour with a giant club. And then we've got the Hoth Wampa, sorry, the Yeti. Yeah, this guy's really, really cool. And the nice thing about this set is it's a bit tougher than your usual Heroquest. These creatures have 4 or 5 body points each as opposed to the usual European 1. And so yeah, taking these down is no mean feat. And to fight these, you've got the lady herself, the female barbarian. This is the first female character in Heroquest. Now that the new one's coming out, Sounds Games Workshop, released by Hasbro and Hasbro Pulse. Yeah, I ordered one, but I still feel dirty about actually ordering anything from Hasbro these days. Don't get me started on Hasbro. This is the first film figure to be in Heroquest, but now the new one has got film versions of all the heroes, which I think is great. It's nice that everyone's got an option to basically who they want to play, gender and also class. But yeah, Heroquest has been doing female figures a long time before Hasbro got started. Okay, this is not the final add-on pack for Heroquest though. The next one we've got is the Elf's Quest, which is the Mage of the Mirror. I'm not quite sure exactly what's included in that one, as that one is rare as hen's teeth. Luckily, there's someone online who has actually created 3D versions of this, so I'm going to give that a print and I'm going to give that a build. That might not be next week, as I've got a couple of extra Heroquest things I want to do. In this case, the next Heroquest thing I'm going to be doing is the Sorcerer's Table. Yeah, that one part of Heroquest that nobody has complete. You've either not got the cardboard bit because it didn't come in the European version, or the candles, you plugged them in, close the box, not realising that once you got the candles plugged in, it's taller than the box and it snaps them clean off. That'll be a nice challenge to try and get those thin candles to print properly. But hey, we'll see how we go. Thanks to everyone who has liked and subscribed to the channel recently, and anyone who's actually subscribed at any time, because yeah, your support is what makes this possible. And yeah, 500 is a great number. So yay, next stop, 1000. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.